Personality types. Why understanding your personality type is important for trading? It's very simple. If you trade in line with your personality type, there'd be less friction and There are two main personality types in this regard, and they are patient and impatient. Are you patient or impatient? Impatient people have an easier time with scalp trading, technical trading, and fundamental trading because all of these types satisfy the hunger for real-time results, giving profit quicker, instant gratification, if you will. Patient people are more suited to all of the other types of traders. If you try to trade in line with a style that doesn't typically align with your personality, it can be done, but you may find your experience to be less than favorable. The best advice I can give is to evaluate yourself and trade a style that is in alignment with your personality traits. Now go back and look at the types of traders lesson to see what might work for you. Good luck.